Hello everyone, today I would like to show you a capsule wardrobe that I've created a few months ago for one of my clients. My client is a lawyer, she's traveling around the world for the whole year, and when she was here in Portugal, she contacted me and asked me to find for her some essential items that were missing from her suitcase. So basically she already brought a lot of clothes. It's just while traveling she understood that some things were actually missing or need to be replaced. So that was my job, to find those pieces and try to find the pieces that would easily match with each other and also with other things that she already had in her suitcase. And most of the things that she had were kind of basic slash classic items. Most of them were navy or black or gray. So I wanted to add a little bit more color to it, make it slightly lighter, and to adjust it to the European summer. Okay, let's take a look. The first thing I've added to this capsule were these beautiful tailored trousers. This was a request from my client. She asked me to find some classic trousers and she can wear them during the day and go for a casual dinner. She can also wear it with a blazer, for example. So it's very nice to have a classic pair of trousers like this. I forgot to mention that my client is an autumn color type, so all the colors I've chosen for her are warm and soft. The second item is this beautiful light cashmere sweater, because when it gets chilly, she still needs some kind of sweater to go out for dinner or for a walk. So we decided to add two sweaters. The second sweater is like this. It's also quite casual. It's a navy sweater striped with brown buttons. I think it's very nice and sweater that you can wear again in a more sporty or in a more classic way. And the second sweater is a cotton sweater, so this also gives you a variety. Colder weather you can wear a cashmere sweater, and for warmer weather you better go for a cotton sweater. We only added one t-shirt because she already had a lot of t-shirts in her suitcase and most of them were navy or black, so I decided to go for something lighter to just give some variety and alternative to what she can wear. And the last top I've added was this linen shirt. It's classic and at the same time it's casual and it's very easy to style. You can wear it during the day or you can wear it to a casual dinner. Definitely you can wear it to work, you can have a Zoom call in it. And the best thing about this shirt, I think, is the color, because it's so beautiful. It's this deep, soft shade of blue that I think will suit my client really well. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that everything I chose for my client is very easy to wash and very easy to take care of. I understand that while you're traveling, it may be problematic to find a dry cleaning and then wait for your clothes to be dry cleaned, and you have very limited amount of clothes. So everything that I found is machine washable, so she can just go to a local laundromat and wash and her clothes there. And of course, everything that I chose for her, I try to find items that are not too bulky and don't have, if it's a sweater, it's a thin sweater. Yes, so because she doesn't have a lot of space and she needs quite a lot of clothes to travel for a whole year. Imagine that. Another missing item was a jacket. And I like its shape. I like that it's not too bulky, it's not too sporty, it's not very oversized. The color is beautiful. This warm olive shade always looks amazing on any autumn type women. I was also asked to find a pair of jeans, so I've suggested that maybe for the second bottom we add a pair of jeans that is more of a statement rather than another skinny or straight type of jeans. So something a little bit more elevated, a little bit more fashion. So we went with this. I like this pair because of the shape. I like that they're quite slim fitting on top, and then there is a very slight flare on the bottom. I was specifically asked to find a pair of closed shoes for summer, but also it should be very comfortable to wear on cobble streets. So I thought that this option would be really great. I love the color, and you can walk on any type of surface in this forever. It's very comfortable and quite bouncy. And I have another pair of shoes. We've decided to go for classic white Veggie sneakers. I like that they don't look very sporty, they still city casual type of sneakers, so you can definitely wear them with the tailored trousers and a blazer, and it will not look too sporty. And finally, the last item that I've added to this capsule was this beautiful large tote in this quite interesting olive green color, because I thought that it will be a nice color accent, as well as most of the clothes they have neutral colors. Just a small color pop to make all the looks slightly more stylish and interesting. If you are planning such a long trip like that, you definitely would need more clothes than just 10 items, but also try to not overpack, because you definitely will wear the same outfits over and over again. That's fine. And maybe also leave some space so you can go shop locally, which is always nice, and which is always, I think, gives you even more appreciation for your clothes. So definitely don't overpack. Okay, now let me show you all the looks. So the first is the look with the tailored trousers and cashmere sweater. When I were choosing what kind of shoes to add, I really wanted to add something that would be versatile. Basically, all shoes can be worn with any outfit. It's always good to have options. The second look is with the navy sweater. I think it's just very nice and easy to wear outfit. Now I've combined that linen shirt with the same tailored trousers, and again, I think everything looks quite lovely. The brown shoes add up a little bit of interest, a little bit of color to the look. Now we have two looks with t-shirts. As you can see, the look with loafers looks slightly more classic and put together, and the look with sneakers looks more casual. And I love that we just switched one element and have two slightly different looks. I also wanted to show you how the jacket will look like. As you can see, it kind of plays together with the bag color. It's not exactly the same colors, but they in the same family. And I love that it looks nice with loafers and with sneakers. Now let's see how all the tops look with jeans. Ivory sweater is going to look amazing. It's a kind of like a classic combination. The only thing here to understand is that jeans are quite long, so no matter what shoes we're gonna go with, they're gonna cover the shoes. And I did it on purpose. I wanted to have two pairs of trousers, and they should be different. One are cropped, and these jeans are quite long. It looks nice with the linen shirt, color-wise and shape-wise. The shirt is quite voluminous, and jeans also have volume, but I love that they have slim fitting around the hips, so we still can see the figure really well. So I think it's a very nice silhouette in general. In total, this capsule consists of 10 items, 4 tops, 2 bottoms, 2 pairs of shoes, 1 jacket, and 1 bag. And when we mix all these items together, we get 8 fully interchangeable outfits. If you would like to learn how to put together a capsule like this, or maybe even a little bit bigger, I would suggest taking the Wonder Wardrobe course. The Wonder Wardrobe method actually doesn't force you to get rid of a lot of your clothes or declutter. It actually encourages you to use what you already have and explore the full potential of your wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to press like and share this video with your friends. And before you go, please let me know in the comments if you already put together your summer capsule, and if you did, what fashion style did you go for? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.